Hey y'all, welcome back to another CVS video. This is my CVS haul for the week of May 15th through to the 21st. So I know you guys might be saying, what the heck happened to Coupon Empress? She haven't posted any CVS haul in a while, but guys, I am here for you, okay? Well, as you know, last week was Mother's Day and I decided to make money last week instead of spending money. So that's what I did. I got my gift baskets together, went out in the streets, sold my gift baskets. And guys, I kid you not, it was wonderful. So let me jump right in and show you guys the deals that I did for this week. I did four transactions. I used two cards, four transactions. So the Asper-Cream this week, the Asper-Cream Flex Emotion, these are buy one, get a $10 extra buck. I believe the Axe is spend 15, get a, is it a $3 extra buck? I believe it's spend 15, get a $3 extra buck. No, get a $5 extra buck, my bad. Buy three, get a $5. Spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. Selected Chic, they are 2 for 14, buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So let me tell you the story with these Skintimate. Now, you see, you have to be very careful. Let me point something out. As I said, it's Select Skintimate. You see this razor right here? They have some of these razors that the razor is kind of like half, like kind of oval, if you guys know what I'm talking about. You see like how the edges of this is straight? That other one is a little bit, you know, not slanted, but it's like in a half a moon. Don't get that one because the extra buck is not attaching to that. It's only attaching to the ones with the straight, what should I call this? The straight blade. Let me see if I have one of those. Hold on. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. You see right here, this is a little bit, what should I say, oval. It is not, the extra box is not attaching to this one. Be careful. Anyone you see have this kind of a circle looking, don't get this one. This is the one with the 3 blades. You have to get the one with the 4 blades. This is the one that it's attaching to. Remember, do not get this one, get this one. Okay. So let me show you the first transaction that I did. I did the Skintimate, as I said. They are they're 2 for 14, buy two, get a $5 extra buck. Come on. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to make, okay. Buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So I had a $4 digital and a $4 coupon. So I paid $6 out of pocket, got 5 back, making both razors $1.50 each. And here is that receipt. And where is it? And here I got the $5 back for buying both razors. The next deal, let's move this out of the way. I'm leaving the Axe for last because that's my favorite. Now, as I said, the Asper-Cream is the Asper-Cream Flex Emotion is buy one, get a $10 extra buck. Now these are $19.79 at my store. Some of you might have a $5 digital and the $5 CRT and pain relief CRT. Well, on this account, I had a $5 digital. I also had a $5 Asper-Cream CRT, and then I also had a 3 off of 15 rub. This loafer sponge, this was the freebie for my, was it May or April? I think it was May. This is my freebie for May. So, okay, let me show you guys the receipt. So here it is, that's the loafer sponge, and these sponges are 40% off, so it was actually $2.39. There is the Asper-Cream 3 count, $19.79. There's the Asper-Cream digital, that free beauty, the $5 Asper-Cream CRT. I had a 3 off of 15 rub or patch, that took $3 off. I rolled a $6 in extra bucks, and that 15 cents from that 2% cashback, and I was left to pay 64 cents. And guess what? Where you at? Where you at? I got my $10 back. Making this transaction, sorry, not only free, but let's see if I did the math. Did I do the math? Come on, guys, help me out. It was a moneymaker, okay? It was a moneymaker. Let's move on to the other Asper cream. As I said, I used 2 accounts. Here is the Asper cream receipt, $19.79. I had that Asper cream digital. I had a 3 for 15 rubs and the patches. I paid $11.79 out of pocket, got $10 back, making that other one only $1.79. Where is that? And here is that extra box. Now, I am hoping that Ibotta put this on there for a rebate, because if they do, I'm going to use both Ibotta accounts and submit. So fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Now, let's move those other items out the way. Okay, we're here now with the 7 Axe products. So as I said, the Axe this week is spend 15, get a $5 extra box. You could get the Axe, you could get the Dove, you could get the Degree, you could get the Schmitz, if that's how you pronounce this, SCHMIDTS, that I'm speaking about. When you spend 15, you get a $5 extra box. Now, these Axe body wash, I am here, guys, making my baskets for Father's Day already. So if you see all those sponges and everything, that's what it is. So these Axe products, like the body wash, that body sponge, they're buy 2 get 1 free. Not on these. These are regular price. The deodorant and the body spray, they are regular price. These are $5.99, and I believe the deodorant is $8 and change. So as I said, the body wash, they're buy 2 get 1 free. I wasn't planning on doing this deal, but when I saw the buy 2 get 1 free, and you know we have those BOGO coupon, you see where I'm going with that. So okay, let me just show you guys the receipt. So here is it, the Axe, $6.79. Which one was $6.79? Okay, $6.79. Oh, I see what happened. I took up the wrong bag. Let me go for the other bag, guys. Hold on. Okay, this is the item I was looking for. It's the Detailer 2-sided shower tool. So this was $6.79. The body wash, these were $6.49, and these body spray were $5.99. So let's continue looking at the receipt. There it is, $6.79, $6.49, $6.49, and the Axe body spray, they were $5.99 each. Now, I had a coupon that if you buy, let's get my pointer. If you buy the body spray, you get, if you buy either the body spray or the deodorant, you get either the deodorant or the body spray free. So here I purchased 2, so I paid for these 2, and these 2 were free. You buy 1, you get 1 free. You buy 1, you get 1 free. You buy 2, you get 1 free. Okay, so let's continue. So the max value on the BOGO coupon was $8. Now, the cashier could have put in $5.99 because that's what that's the cost of the product. But the max value was $8, which means you could put up to $8. As I said, it depends on the cashier that you have. My cashier put the maximum in, which was $8. There it is. I had a $4.50 off 2 Axe shower gel. I also had a 4 off a 10 Axe deodorant. These 2 did not qualify because these were free, but these were $5.99 each. So this was like $11.98. So that $10 CRT would apply. Then I rolled $8 in. I also had a $3. Where am I? I also had a $3 Axe shower gel CRT. Here I rolled $8 in extra bucks, a 5 and a 3. and I used that 35 cents from that 2% cash back, and I was left to pay $1.39. So as you look at it, I pay 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what, 9.74. I paid 9.74 and 9.74, and I got $5 back. Hold on one second. Okay, so I paid 9.74 and I got $5 back, making everything right here $4.74. Are you with me so far? $4.74. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. Let's get my pointer out again. Ibotta gave me back $1 for this, $1 for this, $1 for this, and $1 for this. Let's back up. I paid $9.74 in extra bucks and cash. $9.74. I got $5 back, making all 7 items $4.74. Then, after submitting my receipt to Ibotta, I got $4 back for these body spray, $1 each, which means all 7 products is a whopping cost of 74 freaking cents. All 7 Axe products, 74 cents. Now, let's go a little further. I'm definitely gonna include some of these in my Father's Day gift baskets. So as it is, I only paid 74 cents for these 7 items. And after, I could actually put all of these in one gift basket. Everything right here could go in one gift basket, and I could easily sell this for, let's see, at least $50. At least $50 I could sell all 7 products for. You see where I'm going, guys? Yeah. Yes, I am so happy. I'm hoping that, and I also submitted my receipt to Fetch. I forgot what I got from Fetch. I don't remember. It's not much though. It's not much. So with that being said, guys, it's a late haul. As I said, this, I was supposed to upload this from yesterday, but I was so tired and I decided to do it today. You know, sometimes I said you save the best for last. This is it. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys are off to a great week. Enjoy your week, guys. Stay safe. Have a safe and productive one. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up and continue sending my subscribe count up. Let us reach there, guys. Come on, let's do it. You know we can do it. With that being said, take care, guys, and I'll catch you all in another video. Bye.